It goes without saying that the kidneys are one of the most essential organs in the human body. They help remove waste, maintain fluid balance, and filter minerals and toxins in the blood. This is why we must focus on taking good care of our kidneys and urinary system. As previously mentioned, drinking plenty of water and maintaining adequate levels of hydration is one of the easiest and most effective ways to do just that. Staying hydrated makes it easier for your kidneys to perform their duties by removing toxins and waste in the form of urine, which means that your urine is the best indicator of dehydration. To check, you can simply observe the amount and the color of urine that is produced. The average person typically expels around 6 cups of urine each day. So if you're not urinating enough, this most likely means that you aren't drinking enough water, and you probably need to increase your healthy fluid intake. Also, your urine should be clear or close to clear in color. It's okay to have a slightly yellow tone, but if it has a dark yellow color, it most likely means that you are dehydrated. The good news is, as you increase your fluid intake, the color should begin to lighten and become more clear. Some other signs of dehydration include headache, dry mouth, dizziness, and fatigue. If you notice any of these symptoms regularly, simply drinking more water can give your kidneys a boost and will likely help you start feeling better. And people often ask, how much water should you drink per day? While 8 glasses of water per day is the general recommendation, each person is different and your body may require more or less than that amount. Instead of counting your glasses of water, you should look for the warning signs that we just discussed and test the amount that is most optimal for you. And of course, you can always get a recommendation from your physician.